How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will simply guide you on how you can actually turn off active status on Instagram, so make sure to watch the videos till the end. In order to change or turn off active status on Instagram, all you have to do is first of all open the Instagram app, then just come to your profile page. Once you're on the profile page, just tap the three lines icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines icon, right over here at the bottom you'll find an option called settings. So just tap on settings. When you go to settings, you'll most likely find the option called privacy, so just tap on privacy, and then when you tap on privacy you'll find an option called activated status over here. Just tap on activated status, and then here you'll find these two options, which is show activated status or show when you're active together. You can just choose to turn the second option only off, or you can also simply turn off the first option to show your activated status, and then no one else will be able to see your active status on Instagram. This is it on how you can actually turn off active status on Instagram. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.